You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day, losing myself in time. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taken me so long to let my doubts go. 'Cause you're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You'll never know if you never try to forgive your past and simply be mine. Well, I dare you to let me be your one and only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on, man, give me the chance to prove that I'm the one who can walk that mile until the end starts.
Remix.
Okay, now set fire to the rain. Okay. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. Well, there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say, they were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.